If cold calling is making your heart race, your voice tightens up, or your mind completely goes blank right before you hit the dialer, it's not because you are bad at sales. It's because your nervous system is reacting to something it was never ever trained for. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to fix that. You see, most realtors think that they have a confidence problem, when in reality, you actually have a pressure regulation problem. Let me guess, you can talk to friends, no problem. You can talk to clients, no problem. And even in person with strangers, you have absolutely no issue. But the second you hit dial to make a cold call, your body reacts like something's about to go wrong. Your heart rate goes up, your voice changes, you start rushing. That's not weakness. That is your nervous system interpreting uncertainty and rejection as a threat. And no one explains this to new realtors. When I was newer, cold calling personally felt nerve-wracking, like genuinely uncomfortable for real. Every single rejection, every single time someone told me no on the phone, it shocked my entire system. And if I'm being honest, I'm not perfect, and there were stretches, days, weeks, maybe even sometimes a month, where I would completely avoid the phone because I wanted to avoid this feeling. Not because I didn't want to succeed, but because my body was doing everything it possibly could to reject and avoid that hit, that feeling again. And here's the part that most people will never ever say out loud. Every single time a random stranger tells you no, our mind actually makes it feel bigger than what it actually is. And here's what changed everything for me. And I'll share this with you. Confidence for me, it didn't come from motivation. It didn't come from hype. And it didn't come from pretending that I wasn't nervous. Confidence started coming for me from repetition. Because every single time I got told no and nothing bad happened, my nervous system internally started learning something very, very important. It literally learned, oh, this is literally just a no. Perfect. That's it. And once your body understands and correlates that rejection doesn't necessarily equal danger, the fear of actually prospecting and cold calling drops significantly fast. But here's where actually most realtors get stuck with this process. Number one, they're told that cold calling doesn't work and it's outdated. But no one actually explains why it feels like it doesn't. Number one, most agents right now are calling bad data, unqualified leads, wrong numbers, people who are actually never even prospects to begin with. So you're having awkward conversations with people who were never even gonna say yes in the first place. And that makes us internalize the wrong lesson. Calling doesn't work. Why am I so bad at this? This just must be how it is. And by the way, this is not something I usually put on YouTube. Inside of my inner circle, I actually have 2 videos that I share with my private students that actually breaks down exactly step by step how to find the best for sale by owners in your market and the best circle prospecting opportunities in your market. The right people and the right numbers. Not theory, not opinions, step by step. And I'm gonna give you that for free. There's a link below in the description. All you have to do is put in your information and you'll get access to both of those videos for free. If bad data and people not picking up or having horrible conversations has been the issue for you, those 2 videos is gonna completely solve that problem for you. Now, here's the truth that most people completely miss. And this is probably the most important piece of information you're gonna get in this video. Cold calling is about pattern recognition. Every single lead source that you're gonna call right now, whether it's for sale by owners, circle prospects, or expireds, has a set of predictable problems. Each one struggles with unique and different things. When you focus on one lead source long enough, you completely eliminate guessing from the equation. You start recognizing patterns and you start solving these same exact problems with the same exact conversation framework time and time again. Now you're actually creating a predictable system to land listing appointments every single day. That is when this actual activity stops feeling random, and random is what actually creates the anxiety and the fear behind getting on the phone in the first place. And the last piece of advice I'll give you on this video is one thing that most agents don't even think about to do with their cold calling process. I completely visualize success before getting on the phone every single session. And this isn't about hype, it's about gaining clarity. I visualize getting the listing. I visualize putting my sign in the front yard. I visualize myself at the closing. I visualize myself getting the client their gifts. I visualize the smile on my client's face once I get them top dollar for the property they're selling. And lastly, I obviously visualize what that paycheck is gonna do for me in real life. Because the truth is, once your body is oriented towards purpose, it handles pressure completely different. You're not begging anymore on the phone, you're actually leading the prospect. And the moment that everything that I just talked to you about clicked for me was the moment I actually closed my first deal from calling a random stranger and turning it into a real life friendship and paycheck. Because it proved something completely undeniable. This works. Cold calling, the method that everybody on the internet says it's outdated simply because they've never learned how to do it correctly, actually works, and it's the cheapest, fastest way to generate leads predictably every single day in your business. And once you know it works, the fear that you have of actually getting to do the activity completely loses its power. So if you're freezing on the phone, it's not because you're broken and it's not because you're bad at sales. You just haven't learned how to train your nervous system yet. And that's 100% fixable. If you're a realtor and you watch this video and you want help actually implementing this, not just watching videos about how to do it, but actually fixing it, there's a link below to book a free call with my team. And we'll do a couple things on that call. We're gonna look at where you're at, where you're stuck, what kind of leads you're actually calling, and whether or not we can actually help you. If it's a fit, great, we'll go over the options with you. If not, at the bare minimum, you're gonna leave that call with a lot more clarity in your business. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button. I'm coming out with videos just like this one every single week. I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.